Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick run through of how to get your day set up using Genie Plus at Disneyland. Your home screen may be different depending on if you've been playing around in the app or not. So sometimes you may find a little lamp here that says Set Up My Genie. I don't have that today, so I'm going to start on my day. So you'll notice two tabs at the top. You're really going to focus on the one that says tip board. That's really where you're going to kind of live for the day. My day is where you're going to see that Disney is suggesting things for you to do. So we haven't gotten there yet. So we're going to start on tip board, because like I said, that's where you're going to be booking your lightning lanes and things like that. So I'm here at Disneyland and nothing has opened yet. But the important thing is I want you to notice that everything on the tip board is in alphabetical order. That sounds great, right? Because that's logical and then you can find things easily, except say that the most important thing for my family is Radiator Springs Racers. Well, that's way down at the bottom. And you're going to be refreshing your screen throughout the day to see the wait times and what lightning lane return times are available. So you want to not have to waste time scrolling through all these things all day. So what you do before you get your day going is you're going to come in here and you're going to edit selections. Now, if you had that Genie lamp on the front page, it's going to take you straight to this page. So here's a list. If you look at the top, you can see attractions, and then you can click on entertainment. You can click on dining, but we're going to go back to attractions, and here you can select your top picks for the day. What that's going to do is it's going to put those at the top of your My Tip Board screen so that when you refresh, those are at the top, and you can modify those throughout the day. So you can select up to 8 of them. So I definitely want to have Guardians of the Galaxy, and then Incredicoaster, and I think Mater's Junkyard Jamboree is super cute. And then I want Soarin', I want Radiator Springs, Toy Story Mania, and Web Slingers. And then if you want to pick some entertainment, you can do that. The Amazing Spider-Man show's in there. Doctor Strange, Mystery Mystic of Arts, The World of Color. So those show times will be shown to you so you kind of have reminders during the day. So I'll just click one of those. And then you can also select dining. And then click save. So now you will see the important thing that happens over here on your My Tip board. When I hit refresh, everything's going to be in alphabetical order now. Not alphabetical order. Now everything's going to be my top choices at the top and in alphabetical order, and then everything else. So the Five and Dime Show, there's Guardians of the Galaxy, the Incredicoaster, all of those things are now at the top of my tip board. So as the day goes by, I can refresh and see those things quickly. Now, let's say I go through the day. I've already ridden Incredicoaster. I've gone gangbusters. I'm checking off my list. I've already done the Junkyard Jamboree. I've done Radiator Racers. I can come back in here. I don't want to see those on my screen at the top anymore. I can come back in here and I can edit selections. And I can go in and take out the things I don't want to see anymore. And I can add new ones out of my 8. So that way I can keep adjusting what I see for the day. And I can click on save, and then that'll make those changes on the My Tip board. Where you see the lightning lanes that you book are going to be over here under the My Day tab, and I'll show you that a little later. But this is kind of where things are.